Triple decaroni peach, baby. Whoa! Ow! Wow! What a pizza!
New Pizza Hut triple pepperoni pizza. 90 pepperoni pieces, 6 cheeses, 2 crusts, 1 hellacious taste.
Hey guys, welcome to another video here. We are in an abandoned Pizza Hut. Didn't even realize, probably passed by this thing a bunch of times and didn't even realize they closed down. I just happened to take a quick look and it's like, didn't see a sign on the building. And I saw stickers all over the glass over here, so I figured pull up and check this out, and that's where the sign used to be. Little Pizza Hut logo. But someone stuck a bunch of signs on here, or little stickers, not signs. Oh, they really gutted the place. Oh my gosh. There's nothing in there. There's the breezeway. Oh, they really, they gutted the boots, everything. The counter, there is nothing left in there. There's nothing to see. It's a shell of a Pizza Hut. Yeah, there's the, this is the breezeway. Door's locked. The door is open over there. Inside door. The inside doors are always open. Take a walk around. So yeah, I figure I'd come check this out. And I don't usually do these kind of walk-up kind of. Come see us at our new location in July. Oh, Peckville, okay. Take a walk around the back. But yeah, not much to see in there. But just a quick glimpse. I mean, I was right here driving by it, so I figured this is a little bit of the norm for me, but you know what, why not? This was a lot where they used to have trailers here. Larry's Homes. They used to sell, I believe, like modular homes. Nothing to see back here. Windows foggy. And it's locked. Always got to check the door. But yeah, not too much. I don't know what they're making of this, since they gutted it out, or did they gut it and put it into the other place? But she's really gutted. There's really nothing in there. Nothing at all. They stripped her. Stripped her, but good. All right. Very, very quick video. If you guys liked it, comment, thumbs up. You know all the routine stuff. If you have anything, maybe you know about it. This is in Eynon, Pennsylvania. So I was checking out another location up here, so. But had to stop. Roof is really nice, metal roof up there. It's a really nice building. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Got a bunch of abandoned videos. Apologize if my voice is kind of scratchy today, just getting over being sick. But guys, I'll catch you on my next adventure. See ya.